Good morning, students. Chapter 3, Production and Cost. Near 10 marks questions rise in the annual examination as per the blueprint. First one, choose the correct answer. Each question carries 1 marks. The functional relationship between inputs and output is called production function. Inputs are the raw materials and output are the ready products. For example, sugar cane into sugar, raw cotton into cotton cloths, sunflower into sunflower oil, coconut into coconut oil. So these are the suitable example for inputs and outputs. Second question, the formula of production function is in bright ink. Q is equals to function of LK. Q is a quantity of output, F is a function, L is labor, K is capital. In third question, in the short run, a firm can change any one input due to time resources are limited to the producer in the short run. So producer only changes one input, labor or capital, whatever it may be. Fourth question, the change in output per unit of change in the input is called marginal product. Marginal product means extra product of the total product, one more unit employed in the company. This is called marginal product. Fifth question, the long run production analysis is explained by law of returns to scale relates to long run. Law of returns to scale include three law: increasing returns to scale, constant returns to scale, diminishing returns to scale. Next, sixth question, Cobb Douglas production function is Q is equals to x1 to the power of alpha, x2 to the power of beta. Degrees of scale. Seventh question, find total cost. Where TFC is 100 and TVC is 125, is it possible? Total, find the total cost. Total cost formula, TC is equals to TFC plus TVC. So TFC is given, TC is equals to 100 plus TVC is 125. Once again explain that one question. TC formula, TC is equals to TFC plus TVC is equals to TFC is given 100 100 plus 125 225. Okay students, next the shape of the average fixed cost curve is rectangular hyperbola. So shape of the average fixed cost, rectangular hyperbola. So this is the average fixed cost. rectangular, hyperbola. Okay, students. Next, fill in the blanks. Isoquant is the set of all possible combination of two inputs that held the same maximum possible level of output. Isoquant are the equal product curves according to Ragnar Fritsch. Whatever any one input use more less to the others with sacrifices, then finally same level of output. Second question, in the long run all inputs are variable due to excess of time is availability to the producer. So in the long run all inputs change, the inputs nothing but new workers employed in the company, expansion of branch units, open the new branch. So these are the suitable example for long run. Then third one, average product is defined as output per unit of variable input, average product. Fourth question, inverse U shape. Marginal product and average product are the inverse U shape. How is it possible inverse U shape? You can observe inverse U shape. So this is MP, this is AP, inverse U shape. SMC curve cuts the ABC curve at the minimum point. SMC curve cuts the ABC curve at its minimum point. You can observation. So this is SMC. Then this is ABC. This is the minimum point. Okay, students. Match the following. CRS solution. This is solution. CRS constant returns to scale. SCSE short run average cost. MPL TPL minus TPL minus 1. Apply the formula. Then alternative formula you can use. MPL alternative formula. MPL is equals to delta TPL divided by delta L. L is nothing but a labor. TPL means total productivity of labor, delta change in total productivity of labor divided by change in labors employed in the company. Then TFC is plus TVC is equals TC. If you know in the previous question, SMC delta TC divided by delta Q. Okay, students, thank you. I will be continue.